So I told me I could take my phone back out now. I guess we went to go look at some traditional Panamanian clothes for Angelisa's mother, Joanna, for the parade that's coming up in November. So she needed to get some shoes, so they told me to put my phone up for safekeeping, because I guess we was in a little, like a bad part of the old town. Well, it wasn't really all that bad, but I didn't want to fuss with them, so I was like, okay, I'll put it up. So I put it up, man. Now got it back out again. We're going back into the good area of Old Town. Pio, pio. Pio, pio. It looked like a chicken place. Hey, they do this in Africa. Yeah, they do that in Africa.
The red wicked, the red wicked?
Yeah.
Red devil. That's how we call it in Spanish. Diablo rojo. Red devil.
Red devil?
Yeah.
El rojo?
Yeah. Diablo rojo.
Diablo rojo.
Devil red. We used like to go everywhere.
Oh, it's like a public transportation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That bus that you use in your for go for the college is something that the white one, that yellow one that you have in the US for go to the college.
Yeah.
We paint it and put just whatever you want, and we use to the public transport.
But no, they don't take the bus. Well, they have most of the people that go to college. They either drive. Oh, watch out, watch out. They either drive, or they do have like buses on the campus, and the buses on campus take them to different areas of the school, or it take them outside the school to like a place where there's a lot of restaurants or a shopping center. But mostly they walk around the campus like how you do. But the school kids, public school kids and stuff, they take a bus like that without all the stuff on
everybody, if you're in a private school, if you're in a public school, you take that same bus.
Yeah. That's a better bus than what we got. But they would never let them have them because of all the smoke that come out the pipes in the back of the bus, all the smoke. Yeah, people will protest. They would say it's polluting the earth. So we're going to another plaza. It's a lot of pretty buildings down here that need to be fixed up. They probably real cheap too. It's doggies everywhere.
We call it a fetal-lice. You look at a dog in the street, fetal-lice.
Fetal-lice? What's that mean?
That means that dogs that live in the street. They're everywhere.
Oh, we call them feral dogs, the ones that live in the street, but it's not too many in the U.S. The white people love dogs.
They love dogs?
Yes, they love dogs. If a lot of white people came down here, they would probably take all these dogs. The taxi
like
people.
President?
No,
Nobody likes him.
I don't like because he's racist. He don't like black people. But we don't. I don't like Biden either. Biden don't help black people. So I don't. The Democrats don't help black people. The Republicans don't help black people.
Demasiado como la diferencia. This part looks totally different to that part.
Yeah. Huh? We going over here? That's a wiener dog.
No.
Yeah, he's mixed with something like a pit bull or something. Yeah. We going to another plaza?
Yeah, that's the next plaza.
So let me ask you this.
Huh?
When did the old town become bad? After they took down the wall. When all the noble people moved out of the old town and then poor people moved in?
We can say that always that poor people was living here.
But not inside the wall, outside the wall.
No, inside, it was out the wall. What happened when everybody mixed, like, and the people that was living inside go away or something else, that everybody get mixed when the wall get down? What's the point that everybody, because not everybody in the country had access to go inside the wall. So they had two doors. The one who looks at the earth, they call it. They look at the earth, and the one that look at the ocean.
Okay.
And there was two doors that get open at 6 a.m. and at 6 p.m. it was absolutely closed. Nobody can go inside, nobody can go out. And anybody else in the country or in the Panama can visit it. It was not like you had to be someone special, someone with important, like, ¿cómo se dice? Como en una posición, like in important position to go inside the one. So when the one get down, everybody had access to this place. And that same happened with the Panama Canal Zone. It was absolutely closed, and that's when I'm gonna tell you about the history of what happened on January 9th.
But the Panama Canal, that was closed because it was military people living there? Oh.
That's something I have to explain you in the central one.
Okay.
Let's keep watching. So those are originals.
That's original wall?
Yeah. What's connected with the one I show you?
Uh-huh.
There. What's connected? The old town in Colombia has a wall too. It's still intact. I think the whole wall. They still have the whole wall. Oh. Wow, look at that. But they use mortar. This is like, it's a thick wall though. Wow. I don't know what's up with these dang on steps in Panama. God dang. These steps like 2 feet off the ground.
They got all these beautiful old buildings down here. I think they working in there. Oh. They, they had two walls.
Yeah, because the first one was in case that they jumped the wall, they fell, and they passed away. It was like that that they made to get safe. When they jump or they get inside, they can fall. And
then they kill them
yeah,
when they're going up there. Yeah.
And this one was in that way to that one, connect with the one I showed you there, inside the building. Where? That's the thing that had connection with that. Por ahí hay una cosa que habla de eso.
These steps is better. I want to see the wall. This one, the original wall of Old Town Panama. Well, not the original Panama, but the Panama that they built after the original Panama Old Town burned down. Oh, somebody knocked over, I don't know what kind of tree that is. Oh. I had to read something.
Yeah. That's a picture of the original building. What it looked like. They had like a false one, and then was the original one. And they have floors. So when you jump the first one, it was like false, and they will look at you and you will pass away there. Because it was too tall.
Okay, so that's the second wall.
Yeah.
What's that building? No, the building's not there no more. What was it?
Yeah, it was there.
It's not there no more.
You know how much time it was away?
What was that building? That's where the soldiers lived at?
This one is this one.
Yeah.
And that thing is over there, I'm not sure, but I think it was like a house. It says, look at it.
Oh, it's a gunboat. Colombian gunboat. See, a gunboat in the U.S. is usually a big, like a big warship, or in you know, English or European, it's a big gunship, like a galleon. You seen Pirates of the Caribbean?
Huh?
You seen Pirates of the Caribbean? Like those. Well, we kind of consider those would be like a gunboat, but that's their gunboat is a building. Okay, I'm going to stand in the shade with your mom.
Well, they have more than 4 different architectonic things, like architectonic ideas for the fort, like to protect the town, and it was the one cool one, like to get two worms. What happened? Two worms. Two ones? How do you say that?
Walls.
Walls.
2 walls. Okay.
Yeah.
No, I thought we was back over by the Airbnb. This is different though. I thought it was around the corner from where we're staying at.
That's all the plaza.
Yeah, I see. What's it?
When I buy the shoes, round now.
No, la catedral.
catedral.
Pensé que ya estábamos allá.
No.
I told her that here we have 5 plazas.
Uh-huh. So pretty soon, the old town gonna be filled. It's gonna be like it was originally. It's gonna be a bunch of rich people and hotels and restaurants. Who is that?
Tomás Herrera. He was like, he was one of the ones who helped Panama to fight for the freedom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and something important about the monument is about how the horse is, that his legs. If he have 2 ups, was that he died in a fight.
Okay.
And if have just one, is that he got hurt in the fight and that would die in a hospital. And if he is like completely lied down, it is that he died for natural cases.
Natural causes?
Yeah.
So he died in the hospital?
Yeah.
Oh.
But he died for big fighting for the freedom of Panama.
But he's not a Panamanian.
I don't think. Mama.
He's not a Native
Era
American.
panameño, huh? Herrera. She thinks that he was Bolivian.
Oh, Bolivia. Wow, Bolivia was all the way over here?
Huh?
Bolivia.
Bolivia. It was away December 5 or the 1954. Can you hear me?
He was a general.
I'm not sure about his nationality. I'm not sure.
All right, it's time to take a shade break.
You want what?
A shade break.
Want to take a break?
Yeah.
Mama!
A shade break.
It was very close of the church house we was walking to.
We going inside the church?
Yeah,
Okay. We got air conditioning?
yeah. You can get sick. For real.
All right, come on, let's go. Where's Starbucks at? Oh, I didn't even see that. No, I'm just hot.
Ah, yeah. This sun.
It's humid down here.